Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinola here, the Internet Traffic Junkie. And I want to shoot a quick video, a little testimonial for the Power Lead System and Lead Lightning marketing system. Now, this is a system that I have been using to run my businesses online. So I can market and sell any product, service, or anything like that. I've been using this system. Now, what you see here is basically my record, my results the past year of using the system. Now, the system, the marketing system, has a feature, an affiliate feature, whereby you sharing these tools and services with other businesses and entrepreneurs, as a referral, you get a commission. Now here you can see I have a few Lead Lightning sales and a couple of gold membership sales. The Lead Lightning is the basic entry-level starting point of the marketing system, where you have tools to get you started and in profit mode. And the gold membership is the highest package you can get within the platform, the Power Lead System. And it provides you all the bells and whistles for you to grow and scale your business. Some of the benefits are comes with an autoresponder, done for you templates to get you off to a fast start, and done for you sales funnels, where all you have to do is plug in your business, product, or service link and let the system sell it for you. And another benefit is done-for-you follow-up emails that the Power Lead System and Lead Lightning have in place to market and sell those leads and prospects that you're receiving online through going through the system. They sell for you. Now, I will encourage you to also, contact these people, especially when you're first starting out, and, see if you can help them through the process as well. But anyway, I know I've been rambling on here and trying to, speaking pretty fast, but, I'm looking at this, I've been saving my results, and so I can record them to show my team, the people that have got started, some of which you're seeing the verifications of in front of you over the past year, to show them what is possible. Now, the gold membership provides a $20 residual monthly commission for that membership. So that means that based on my current gold members, active gold members, I'm roughly going to be receiving a $60 residual income. That pays for my actual marketing system, the Power Lead System, the complete tool suite, basically for free. I'm actually in profit. The whole package, I believe, is about $54, which includes your affiliate and gold membership, where you will be able to start to see and get these results. Now, if you're wondering how I'm able to do this and you want more information, I will have a link somewhere below this video where you can go ahead and submit your information, so I can provide you with that information. But again, I hope this encourages you to keep moving forward with Lead Lightning and the Power Lead System, the gold membership, where you have all the tools and resources necessary to build a great business from your